Oh, I'm Charina Vergara and you're here at Titas of Manila Filipino Kitchen located in West Covina. Titas of Manila is basically a Filipino neighborhood kitchen and we prepare traditionally home-cooked Filipino meals. And every year there are new laws that are being passed. So even before the law took effect, they prepared us a year prior. So they gave us our container, the green container. They gave us posters and educated us, and they were with us the whole time. So we got prepared in time for the new law to take effect. So it takes a while, but it's a way of life, as I would say. Titas of Manila is basically they come from the word tita, which is in Hispanic is tia, or in English it's auntie. There's so many types of tita or auntie, so each one of us represent whatever you have on Zumba, you have a shopaholic tita, fashionista tita, badass tita. So every customer that comes here, they look at that and they put a smile on their face. So it's more than just a restaurant. What we are selling actually here is an experience, a whole experience out of the Philippines, because we are their home away from home.